Hello, let's check out our latest designed 11 plate water ionizer. We can see the faucet, the hanging parts, the adapter of the water pipes, the power cord, the faucet adapter. Yeah, that's all. And the machine comes with 2 pieces of water pipes and also the English manual. Now we are going to show you how to install the machine. First, let's install the water faucet. Install the water faucet tightly. Okay, now we are going to install the water valve adapter to the faucet. Tighten the screw. And if you have another type of the water faucet, then you can use this black rubber ring to adapt. This adapter is universal for most of the faucets in the market. Now we are going to connect pipe. First, we need to cut the thick pipe. We cut the pipe into 2 pieces, and it is according to our kitchen design. The water inlet pipe needn't to be very long. You just need a small piece, and the outlet need a longer one. This is the hose converter. Remove the blue clip and plug the pipe inside. Press the pipe inside strongly and put the blue clip back to fasten. Remove the screw from the faucet adapter and put the pipe through it. Then connect the pipe to the adapter and fasten the screw. Now we connect the hot pipe. Remove the blue clips and put the hot pipe inside. Then put the blue clip back and fasten. Now we connect the pipe to the water inlet at the back of the machine. Now insert the hot pipe in the water inlet and press hardly. Now we connect the water output. First, we put the clip around the soft pipe. Then remove the cap and connect the pipe into the water outlet. Now remove Now move the clip to the water outlet jack and fasten. Now remove the screw from the adapter and put the soft pipe through it. And now connect to the adapter and fasten the screw. Now we are going to connect the power cable to the machine. The power cable jack is on the right. Press up and connect to the power. Now the installation is finished. Now we turn on the machine and turn on the water supply. And now it is the tap water flowing out directly. Now we switch to make the water going to the machine. Then when we can switch the water flow, the machine will start to work. The best water flow is about 2.0 liter per minute. Now we have different water levels for different requirements. For cooking,
alkaline water level 2.
for drinking,
Alkaline water level 1.
purified water,
Filtered water.
sanitizing.
Mildly acidic water. Unit is now.
We also have a cleaning system for the machine. Now, if you want to turn off the machine, you switch the water flow to 0 first, and then turn off the water supply and turn off the machine.